Good morning, children. Today we will start the chapter 3. Yesterday I have given a small introduction of this chapter, but today I am going to start the chapter again by the under the different topics. So the chapter name is Safety and First Aid, lesson number 3. This is your lesson number 3. So children, this is my request. Before writing the question answer, before writing the exercise of chapter 3, mention all the details and headings like the date, safety and first aid, chapter name, chapter number. So this is all things which is very essential for writing the exercise in the fair copy. Now, safety. What is safety? So keeping ourselves and others free from harm or danger. Danger means खतरा, harm means कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो हमें नुकसान पहुंचाती है. So keeping ourselves, अपने आप को, अपने खुद को, अपने आप को, and others और दूसरों को फ्री रखना, दूसरों को बचाना, उनसे दूर रखना किसी भी डेंजरस और हार्मफुल कंडीशन से, दैट टर्म इज़ नोन एज सेफ्टी. सो keeping ourselves and others free from harm or danger is safety. In another word, we can define the safety as safety is the state of being safe from the danger, from the injury or from the loss. So safety is a state, it is a position, it is a condition in which we can keep ourselves safe, in which we can make ourselves safe from the danger, खतरा, from any type of injury, किसी भी प्रकार की दुर्घटना, किसी भी प्रकार की चोट और लॉस, और किसी भी प्रकार से किसी भी तरीके की किसी भी टाइप के नुकसान से जो हमें कंडीशन, जो हमें सेफ करती है, दैट सिचुएशन और कंडीशन इज़ नोन एज सेफ्टी. So basically, safety is the state. Safety is the state of being safe from the danger, injury or loss. This is the safety. Now, safety. A person, when you live inside the home, we all are living inside our home for nowadays from the last 2 months. From the last 2 months. Why our government, why everyone want to be inside the home? Because we all want to be safe. That is why we all want to live, or we all are inside our home. We all are staying at home because we all want to keep ourselves, keep our family members safe inside the home from the COVID-19. Okay, so why this is, now you can understand the term safety, because this is today's demand. Otherwise, no, in a normal day, in a general day, everybody want to go, everyone moves in the from their offices, everyone goes to their schools, all the children goes to their school, all the person who want to do different work, they are free to do different kind of work. But now the situation is different. So everyone is staying inside the home because we all want to be safe. We all want to be safe at our home. So because we all want to, because we all are aware that only the safety term is staying at home. So safety is the state, it is a state or condition of being safe. So how we are keeping ourselves safe? From the danger, injury or loss. Now, what is the importance of safety? Why the safety is important? So safety is very important. Benefits of safety are as follows. I have written some benefits of safety. So one by one I will discuss it. Number 1, safety. Reduce the risk of injury and accidents. Safety reduced the risk of injury. सेफ्टी जो है, सुरक्षा जो है, वो किसी भी इंजरी मीन्स चोट, जैसे हमें चोट लगती है, जब हम बिना सोचे समझे खेलते हैं तो हमें चोट लग जाती है, हम गिर जाते हैं. सो दिस इज़ ऑल द इंजरी. सो इफ़ वी विल पे अटेंशन, I'm talking about the students, I'm talking about you students, I'm talking about the children. So children want to play outdoor games, but mostly the children, when the children are not aware, they move, they run very fast, and sometimes they got injured. So on the other hand, some children are very conscious, वो बहुत समझदारी के साथ खेलते हैं. कुछ बच्चे बिल्कुल खेलने में ही लग जाते हैं, वो बस खेलते जाते हैं. बट सम अदर चिल्ड्रंस आर वेरी कॉन्शियस, दे आर वेरी केयरफुल वाइल प्लेइंग आउटडोर गेम्स. वो बहुत केयरफुल होते हैं प्लेइंग गेम्स को लेकर. जब वो बाहर खेलते हैं घर के, तो वो अपने आप को इंजरी से, किसी भी तरीके की इंजरी से, दे कैन ईजिली प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स. बट those children who are not very conscious, who are not careful, they got injured, उनको चोट लग जाती है, and accidents will occur with them. So due to their carelessness, उनकी केयरलेसनेस की वजह से, ध्यान ना देने की वजह से, कुछ एक्सीडेंट्स ऐसे अचानक होते हैं जो कि उनको चोट देकर जाते हैं. सो सेफ्टी, if a person is conscious, if a person become careful, then definitely they will follow the safety rules, and this safety reduced the risk of injury and accidents. और ये जो सेफ्टी है, सुरक्षा है, ये हमारे हर एक्सीडेंट से हमारी रक्षा करती है और उसके रिस्क को, उसके खतरे को कम करती है. Now, safety improves the work efficiency. Safety improves the work efficiency. What is work efficiency? काम करने की क्षमता, जो कैपेसिटी है. कभी कभी हम बहुत टायर्ड होते हैं तो वी कैन नॉट डू कंप्लीट वर्क, बट समटाइम्स वी फील वेरी एनर्जेटिक, सो वी विल डू ऑल द टास्क, वी विल कंप्लीट, then we complete all the work. So safety improves the work efficiency. जब हम सेफ होते हैं, जब हमारी चारों तरफ हमारे एक सुरक्षित एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, एक सेफ एनवायरनमेंट होता है, देन हमारे काम करने की जो कैपेसिटी है वो इम्प्रूव होती है, वो बढ़ती है. अदरवाइज जब हमारा जो एटमॉस्फेयर है चारों तरफ का वो अनसेफ होता है, तो हम नेगेटिव हो जाते हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि हम सेफ़ नहीं हैं, हमारा काम में मन नहीं लगता. सो सेफ्टी ऑलवेज इम्प्रूव्स द वर्क पावर, द वर्क कैपेसिटी, द वर्क एफिशिएंसी. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज सेफ्टी प्रोवाइड्स अ पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट टू द पीपल. एक्चुअली द पीपल हु आर वर्किंग in a hospital, in a office. So I'm giving an example, like if we all are the part of VBPS, okay, you all know na. So everyone is safe, all the children, all the teachers, all the staff, all the member of VBPS school is completely safe. So but sometimes we feel very unsafe, like when we are moving on the road, when we are going in the auto rickshaw, when we are playing in the park or garden, we are not feeling the safer, we don't have a safe feeling. So safety, this feeling, actually safety, the feeling of safety provide a positive environment, it gives a positive vibration. ये एक पॉजिटिव, हमें पॉजिटिव फीलिंग देती है, लोगों को पॉजिटिव फीलिंग देती है. जैसे you feel safer at your home, around your parents. आप अपने पेरेंट की प्रेजेंस में, अपने पेरेंट्स के चारों ओर आप अपने आप को बहुत सेफ फील करते हो, राइट. सो एवरीबडी who are in the touch of their parents, they become very safe and they feel safer. Okay, so and this safety, actually the safety given by the parents in the home and safety given by the teachers in the school provide a positive environment. चिल्ड्रन, आपको स्कूल में टीचर्स की जो सेफ्टी दी जाती है, टीचर्स की तरफ से जो आपको सेफ्टी दी जाती है, टीचर्स आपको सेफ रखते हैं, आपकी देखते हैं कि आप कैसे जा रहे हो, आप स्टेयर्स पे चढ़ते समय ध्यान देते हैं टीचर्स, आप उतरते समय आपको ध्यान देते हैं कि आप धीरे धीरे जाइए, आप रनिंग, डोंट रन, वॉक स्लोली while moving on the stairs, don't jump. So this kind of environment you are receiving in the school by the teachers makes you feel safer, okay? And in the home, parents provide this kind of safer environment for the children, and this attitude provide you a positivity. This will provide you a positivity, okay? आपको एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी मिलती है जब आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ घर पे होते हो और जब आप स्कूल में टीचर्स के साथ होते हो, तब आप अपने आप को सेफ फील करते हो, राइट? सो दिस इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सेफ्टी. दिस ऑल आर द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सेफ्टी, द पॉइंट्स, राइट? नाउ safety, in this chapter we will learn safety from sharper things like knife, blades. So we all have to be very careful while operating any sharper things like knives, blades. Whenever you are going to use these kind of things, be careful. आपको तो पहले ये सारी चीज़ें यूज़ ही नहीं करनी है, नाइफ एंड ब्लेड्स, बट if you want to use these kind of sharp things like knife or blades, then you have to be very careful, and you have to take the proper guidance of your parents. Then safety from fire. Fire is a very very dangerous thing, right? So when fire is under control, it is good, it is very beneficial for us. वो हमारे लिए बहुत beneficial होती है कि हम उसके थ्रू कुकिंग कर सकते हैं. वो हमें गर्मी, फायर प्रोवाइड अस वार्मथ इन द विंटर्स, वो हमको जाड़ों में गर्मी देती है. बट when this fire become uncontrolled, it creates a very dangerous atmosphere for everyone. So we must have to be careful while we are working around the fire, or while we are doing anything in which the presence of fire is there, like in the kitchen area. So children, don't play in the kitchen area or these kind of things. So safety from fire is a very important point. Now the next thing which we will learn in this chapter is safety on roads. How we can keep ourselves safer on the road, because everyone is moving nowadays. Everyone is moving. The life become very faster now. But we have to be careful while we move on the roads, because so many vehicles are moving very faster way, in a very faster manner, and nobody, sometimes the people follow the traffic rules, but most of the time they ignore the traffic rules. So the safety on roads is very very important, and we all have to follow all the traffic rules. Now safety inside the school bus, like you all are children, you all are smaller kid. So when you move in the bus, when you go in the bus, it is important how to sit, how to move inside the bus. Don't move in here and there in the bus. Don't take out your hands and take out your heads from the window of the bus. So we have to be very careful while sitting inside the bus. So these kind of things we will learn in this chapter, okay? So children, yesterday I have shown you a picture. This was the picture. Activity time. a boy. The in this picture you are seeing the four parts of the picture. First picture, having a boy, there is a boy which have a lightened candle, and this lightened candle, he is playing actually with the lightened candle. So it must be very dangerous for that boy. Here the boy is using a blade for sharpening the pencil. That is also a very dangerous thing. And then here the daughter and the the daughter and the mother is moving on the footpath. So they are not moving in the road area, they are using their footpath. So this is a very safe thing. Here the last picture shows that a boy is putting out his head and hand out of the window, waving his hand, and it also create a very dangerous condition for that boy. So this is all for today. I hope the importance of safety, you understand the importance of safety. So please be safe, be careful while using the knives, blades, while using the while using the fire, whenever you are doing any kind of work in the kitchen, while moving on the road, and while moving in buses. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video.